If you are trying to break into cybersecurity and you are not learning Python, you are actually doing it wrong. I mean, you are doing it wrong. Here is the reason. Cybersecurity is not just clicking buttons on a dashboard. It is a game of speed, and Python is actually the ultimate cheat code for the speed. Imagine checking 10,000 servers logs for malicious activities using hand. It will take days, but with Python you can write a script to do it in seconds. Do you want to build a custom network scanner? Do you want to automate malware analysis, or do you want to craft and exploit payloads? Python does it all with clean, simple code. The industry is actually not looking for the analysts who use tools. They are looking for the professionals who build tools. And this is what makes the difference between an entry-level salary and a six-figure income. Stop memorizing theory, start writing script. And so if you need my top 3 Python projects for the beginners, just drop your comment below. Thanks.